Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant.
Daily news and updates for 23rd November 2023. In a significant development in the ongoing legal battle concerning the permission for filing revised returns under the GST regime, the Union Finance Ministry, GST Council of India, and the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs have reportedly failed to file their replies within the mandated 30-day period. The matter was presented before the esteemed double bench of the Supreme Court, presided over by Justice B.V. Nagarathna and Justice Ujjawal Bhuyan on Monday. The case took a noteworthy turn on October 20, 2023, when the double bench issued notices to the concerned respondents, urging them to submit their replies within 30 days. This meticulous legal process exemplifies the court's dedication to a thorough examination of the matter, emphasizing the importance of due diligence in the proceedings. The CBDT-wide notification numbers 3 and 4 of 2021, dated 30th April 2021, specified the guidelines for preparation and submission of Statement of Financial Transaction or SFT in relation to capital gains or mutual fund transactions. The CBDT has recently issued corrigendum to said notifications tweaking norms related to the filing of SFT. Creditors have withdrawn 26,518 insolvency cases involving defaults of as much as Rs 9.33 lakh crore before their applications were admitted by the adjudicating authority since the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code came into force. The data compiled by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India is from late 2016, when the IBC was adopted, to August 2023. This suggests creditors have either recovered money from debtors or forced them to settle dues just by posing the IBC threat. Defaulting promoters run the risk of losing control of companies once insolvency cases are admitted by the National Company Law Tribunal. Foreign inflows to Indian bonds this year are poised to reach the highest since 2017, as investors lap up local debt before the nation's entry into global indexes. Inflows to fixed income, including corporate debt, have reached nearly $6 billion thus far in 2023, with this month alone accounting for about a quarter of the flows. Monthly inflows to the nation's government bonds are set for the highest since April 2020, the longest streak since the fully accessible route index eligible category was introduced. HSBC India CEO Hitendra Dave said though technology has made banking easier, the risks are sometimes unknown. He cited the example of the ransomware attack on the world's largest lender by assets, Industrial and Commercial Bank of China or ICBC earlier this month, which forced the bank to reroute trades using spreadsheets stored on portable drives and accessing the internet using dongles.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.